Huh? We are Home Depot. Lowe's is similar. I'm gonna turn the camera around and then we're gonna go inside and check out these things that you could use for your car detailing. Sorry, for your mobile detailing business. All right. Hey guys, so it's kind of loud in here because they're doing working. So as you can see at Home Depot, this is a 2x4. You gotta check. You see how it look like. Make sure it's straight. This one is bent to the bottom of the pile and pick. And you see, this one is not too bad. And you pick them out. And also, guys, if you want to use 4x4, you could use the 4x4. Guys, so when I do my van build, right, I use one of this, which is right here, and I use this one right here. See, I use these like these. This is what I use for the flooring. Then you need these right here to hold down the tank. Then you got these big bolts right here. See, clumsy. Anyway, big bolts right here. These hold it down very good. All right. Okay guys, you can see. All right. Okay, so I do this part first. Right? See? Then I do here. Then I screw these up here and screw it in there, in the right there. See? So this piece for this one is for this one, just as this one, see? And you should see. Like that, okay? Because you like that, you won't plug out, right? Or you could just easily do like this. Boom. Saying guys, look, I was gonna do something like this. Pull this out, as you could see. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna test it out later on so you guys could see it. All right, voila. Check this out too. See this? Nice. Look at that. The other one. See that? And then this one, look. See that? So I just come right here, right? And take this out. Voila. Sorry guys. See that? Nice. Need one for the gun. So I'm gonna order two more. There's one right here. And there's another one here. Alright guys. And check this out too. This is my pipe to catch water. You see the color around there too? Pretty close, right? See the color? Look at that. Yep. Okay. Check this out. Okay, so this one I'm gonna block this up pretty soon. Okay, so now I just thank you guys for supporting the channel, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this build. This is the first one. Hopefully I could make some more in the future. And I'm gonna do a complete fully setup. I would say maybe sometime next year. I want to take this one out and do a full setup from start to finish. I'm gonna do everything over because this